Hey, what's up, everybody? 2022 was a tale of two different world mints. One that saw a dramatic increase in bullion sales and demand for 2022, and the other saw a pretty steep decline in sales and demand for 2022. And we're going to be discussing that in this video today. I will be referencing an article from Kitco News that is saying the Perth Mint sees record bullion sales in 2022. U.S. Mint sees 22% drop in gold demand and 43% drop in silver. According to the article on Kitco News, 2022 was a tale of two mints, with the U.S. Mint seeing disappointing gold and silver bullion demand for the year. Meanwhile, it was the best of times for the Perth Mint as it saw record sales for its silver and gold bullion products. Analysts have noted that the Federal Reserve's aggressive monetary policy, as it raised interest rates by 425 basis points last year, dampened interest for precious metals bullion in the United States. However, the U.S. Mint was also plagued by production and supply issues through the year. The U.S. Mint stopped 2022 production in November to focus on 2023 coins. It sold only 4,000 ounces in various denominations of its American Eagle gold coins last month. At the same time, it sold 59,000 1-ounce American Silver Eagles coins in December. Sales data from the U.S. Mint shows it sold 980,000 ounces of gold last year, down nearly 22% from 2021, which saw sales hit a 12-year high. Meanwhile, the U.S. Mint sold 15.96 million ounces of silver last year, down 43.5% from 2021 levels. Although gold and silver saw lackluster investor interest, the U.S. Mint still was unable to keep up with demand as premiums for silver coins soared through record levels, raising to more than 100% of the coin's value. And that is 100% true. And that's basically why I have not been buying many American Silver Eagles over the last couple of years. Okay, back to the article. The lack of demand is not outstripping the lack of supply, and that's why we are seeing these higher premiums, said Jonathan Da Silva, a trader at Kitco Metals. Imagine what the sales numbers and premiums would look like if the U.S. Mint did not have supply constraints. In October, analysts speaking at the London Bullion Market Association's annual precious metals conference warned investors that premiums on gold and silver bullion products will remain elevated as global demand continues to grow amid an unprecedented flow of precious metals from west to east. Although U.S. investors weren't interested in silver last year, a record amount of precious metals flowed into India. It is estimated that India's imports more than 8,000 tons of silver last year. According to some analysts, Perth Mint sales have been a better gauge of global bullion demand as it saw a record for both gold and silver. This is the second consecutive year the Mint has reported record bullion sales. In a comment made at the start of the year, Neil Vance, general manager of Minted Products, said it was expecting to see a strong year for physical gold and silver, and he wasn't disappointed. According to a revised data provided by the Perth Mint, the year started with silver sales hitting record levels above 2 million ounces. By April, demand for gold and silver bullion was twice its long-run averages, the Perth Mint said. There was demand for everything we couldn't make during March, said Vance in April. In September, the Perth Mint said its silver coin output rose to its highest level in 7 years. In total, the Perth Mint sold 1.11 million ounces of gold last year, up 6.3% from 2021. Data shows the Mint sold more than 23 million ounces of silver in 2022, a jump of more than 21% from more than 19 million ounces sold the previous year. The Perth Mint noted it saw a solid demand out of Europe for its bullion products as consumers hedge against inflation, which rose to a 40-year high, and unprecedented uncertainty following Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The Perth Mint recorded an exceptional level of demand for its products in 2022, and we are optimistic for another strong year of sales in 2023, led by our Australian gold, kangaroo, silver, and platinum bullion coins, which will be released on the 23rd of January, said Vance in a statement to Kitco News. So very awesome. And I can say that I haven't bought many Perth Mint coins in quite a while. The only Perth Mint coin that I do have currently on me anyway is that one silver kookaburra that we're seeing. I believe that was from 2020, and that's the 30-year anniversary. The article stated that the Perth Mint saw an increase in demand from Europe for its gold and silver bullion products. I believe that there was probably an increase, in my opinion, in demand of Perth Mint silver and gold bullion products coming from the United States as well, because of the increased premiums on American Silver Eagles and American Gold Eagles, from the 1/10 fractional gold eagle up to the 1 ounce American Gold Eagle, which also saw very high premiums. I believe US based customers also ran to Perth Mint products, not just Perth Mint products, but also Royal Mint products, Royal Canadian Mint products, silver and gold bullion. But let me know in the comment section below, how much Perth Mint coins have you bought, silver and or gold? But let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I will put a link to this article in my description in case you want to read this article for yourself. Let me know what your thought is for the sales of both the Perth Mint and the United States Mint. As for me, I can say, and I've mentioned many a times on this channel, that I have been staying mostly away from the American Silver Eagles because of the extremely high premium, and I believe many others have done the same, although I do know that there are still people who do still buy the American Silver Eagle, and that's completely fine. Some people can stomach the premiums, while others like me really can't stomach the premiums on the American Silver Eagle. But let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. I appreciate everybody for watching, listening. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Give me your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll talk to everybody on my next video. Thanks a lot, everyone.